maabisa ba thirikari kuma rwang'ini rwa kumenyera wega boimera niru Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate nibegete gikaro na arimi ba mira kumegembe North na kubamenyithia kira bonete nikyo gikumia kimera gikibubujite nyuma ya maabisa ba kujukia sampu ya mira ije na gweta kumibwithiria utwiria kenda kumenya kira giatumaga yuma kuringana na bora maabisa baba bareketie kumenya ne ate kuri na tung'inyu na mirimu erumirite kimera giki irabugite mwankira na ndiguti na ndawa irabumbike kuganio ikoria thineje babatarite kinya batatumire ndawa cia kugira kinya iriku na ire ciumbike kubathukire miraya bakiromba kwe wakanya guchwa ndawa ire kadria thineje
la bikanyara na binyaro theri
nyuma ya kiriro kia arimi bamira kuma ntere mwanya mwanya kwigwita abonene bakiuga ate mira yao ikakunyara utheri na batikumenya athina mabitha bakuma nkiama ya Kefis ibariongire ntere waino mwanya Chegembe North na bara itheria na ende mabitha baibachokerete ntere Chegembe North kaire kurutha gikaro na arimi bakibereithagia athina ira barikitie na kuona kumania na uchunkoni bwao bila bikuria mira ibiriko
twezire turajukia samples turaikia na laboratory gwetu Nairobi after kuthithia analysis iro twariaraicire kira giatuma mira yuma ni disease ikosetwo fungus igwitwa Amiralia root rot na nio tukujite gutrina arimi na arua.
In our regulatory role and facilitative, we have organized this training for capacity building of mira farmers on in collaboration with the Minister of Agriculture, County Government of Meru, and also AFA, who are also the trainer of this training, to empower our farmers on how to identify some of these pests and also management of that to ensure that the outputs, the yield per the quality that is also being grown and produced, especially both for local and exports.
Na baturitana thina ira ciuma kimira inkuiboya nonto itumenyere thina cietu na ciuma tukarekebisha
kuringana na mabitha baba kinya wethirwa thina ya mira nirikitie na kuoneka ndawa yongwa kana kiorio itikwe kumenyekana abwega no ende kwina mitaratara ira barikitie na kurutana arimi baba ibathi na mbe na kumithingatiria
ndawa ira turawira tukurita no tona mathara yacio tutiwira ringi itukuromba pio tutiwira ringi tueta na mbere kuthereria labi yetu boya na tukuromba mira yetu yokirupio
kuringana twerwa ni taalamu ote mwankana ndi ndawa ya mira yonekete ya wikiria mira ikenda ikura kana ethiria thina ciayo mwankana ndi nonto mira ni twekire sejud ye kwa kiwango kia kaua na kia chai ba utwira nande thirikari kupitia Kefis na talo wala bangi bakemuri na bangi ibambirite nande ochukuna kuona ndawa emira
tukubera ura babati kuthithia nonto kwa thai gutina a very good cure ya mulimo jojo lakini twabera mite yonde ira yometu mulimo jojo ba make sure ba kumenja benja kuma the root na ba dispose na kuethia ikenda mitezi itikombe ku transmit disease nonto mutujura ju kwethera jo affected to mira jole beba fungus ira ega transmit to the next mute now ni othina ithereri.
And I'm sure being a cash crop, more research will be done and of course trials to ensure efficacy of the one that can be used, and it will also be communicated. The Office of the Agriculture and Crop AFA are also key in this, and they have been carrying the trials. And we expect to continue carrying out surveillance in all other areas and creating more awareness to ensure that the quality that they produce will meet market.
And to kodia di mibetu kuinga no litani watu litanoa to dempala mantwena to linge mbureki mantoya wikiria mira ndawa na ndawa ile na chote kai ndong
were juma Chegembe North Peter Nicholas Chabare.